Hi, welcome to Annexa on Air. I'm Ananda Iyer, Head of Customer Success here at Annexa, and today we're going to talk about Cash 360. Cash 360 is a tool that was developed mainly to give you better visibility into your cash flow, both on a daily basis and on a rolling 6-month forecast. It's fair to say, given the current setup in our NetSuite, it's really difficult to bring all the different elements together to give you that view that you really need to make those informed decisions. Now, the great thing about this tool is it caters for whether you've got disparate systems, you've got data coming in from other areas that need to be considered to give you that one single source of truth. What it comes with is a dashboard. So the dashboard will have a set of pre-configured KPIs, which will bring in all the data together that you've put through a configuration tool. So it gives you the ability to add the different data points, the different inflow and outflows that affect your cash flow. You can add a frequency to it. You can even pull in averages from your AR and AP ledgers that you know happens. It'll pick up trends, so you can feed this all into that cash flow. The great news about this feature is it's free, so you can go to the App Store today, download it. It'll come with the dashboard, the configuration tool, so you can start setting up your different data points and really get that clear visibility into your forecast and your cash flow on a daily basis. If you'd love to hear more, please reach out to your customer success manager or contact Annexa Assist support. Thank you.